Everyone. Today we will be starting with the 29th scenario of the apex trigger, in which we will be playing around with the undelete operation. Yes, you heard it right. We will be playing around with the undelete operation. So Trishu, why undelete operation is so much important? Why you are giving so much weightage on the 29 number to this scenario? The reason behind it is, as soon as we delete this record, the record get restored from the recycle bin. And what all operations we perform in this, so we need to take care for the same. So that's why we are considering this undelete operation. So the scenario is, as soon as an account is restored, we have to append restored name with the account. So let's see how we will be doing it. You need to consider here is, do we need to consider before undelete or after undelete? So answer is, there is no before undelete operation, because you don't know which record you need to undelete first. So we always need to go for after undelete. So let's start with the after undelete. Let's open the developer console. So our requirement is straightforward. As soon as the account is undeleted, we need to add the restore keyword with append the restore keyword. So let's open the trigger on account if we have. So I don't think we have any trigger on account. So let's create a new trigger on account. So what I will be doing, I will be writing new apex trigger, that is restore trigger on account, and further the object that we will be using is account. So once we are done with this, so I will be creating one new class, that is apex trigger handler, that is apex trigger handler, and I will be clicking OK. So once we are done with this, next step what you need to do, we need to do with the after undelete operation. And once after undelete is done, what we need to do, if trigger dot is after and trigger dot is undelete, then only you need to perform this operation. The operation that you need to perform is, that is, you need to call a method of this method, that is apex trigger handler dot the method name, that is handle undelete operation. And here what I need to pass, I need to pass trigger dot new here, and let's save this record out. So I don't think this will save because we haven't created the handle undelete operation. So let's copy it here and let's paste this here. That is, I will be doing what I will be doing. I will be doing public static void this method name, and what I will be passing, I will be passing the list of account, that is new records. So it will only be providing me new records, so because we are restoring it. So let's save this out, and after saving this, we are done with this, and let's save this out so that our framework is ready and we don't have any challenges further. So we are good till here. So next step what we need to do, we need to perform an operation, but as we do in the before insert operation, or before operations, we what we do directly. For example, I will be doing this for loop for account a colon, that is new records. Further what I do in the before scenarios, I do a dot what that is name is equal to restored plus a dot name. So this is the thing that we do in the before operations, because we don't want to do DML operation. But since we are playing around with the after undelete operation, we need to first fetch the ID for this record. So, and then further we need to query, because we need to do a DML on the same operation. Okay, so let's do that. So what I will be doing, instead of doing this, I will be creating a set of ID that will be storing my account ID set. So let's what I will be doing, I will be creating set of ID, account ID set is equal to new set of ID, and further what I will be doing, I will be saving this record, and what I will be doing, instead of this I will be storing account ID set dot add what I will be doing, a dot id. So once we are done with this, we got a record ID. Now we need to query the name of the record. Why we need to query? Because we are undeleting, we are not updating it. So what I will be doing, I will be querying the record list of account acc list is equal to select, that is select id comma name from account where id in this set, that is account id set. Once we are done with this, we will be saving this, and we will be checking if we are getting an issue. So we are not getting an issue. So now what we need to do, we need to update the name of account. So what I will be doing, I will be iterating this account a colon acc list. So what I will be doing further, a dot name is equal to restored plus a dot name. So we are done with this line. So we have queried the record. We have now the final operation that we need to perform is update operation. So what I will be doing, I will be checking if acc list dot is empty. If it is not empty, then what we need to do, we need to update, that is update a. So that update not a acc list. So once we are done with this operation, now let's test. We are done with the trigger. So just point is we have to query the record, because this is after and we can perform the operation afterwards. We can't skip the DML operation here. So let's check this record out. So let's go on to the account record. Since account is not shown here, let's go on any other app. So I'm going on the Service Cloud app. So as soon as I go on Service Cloud, so what I will be doing, I will be selecting all accounts here. So here we have created one S4. S4 is also the standard. So what I will be doing, I will be creating my own record, that is Sachdeva 1. So let's save this record. So I will be saving this record out. Once we have saved this record, what I will be doing, I will be simply deleting this record. So no trigger will run till this point because we haven't added anything. So my record has been deleted. So what I will be doing here, I will be searching for recycle bin. So recycle bin. So this is the recycle bin. So as soon as I restore this record, when I restore this record, so let's go on to this record. So you are seeing the restored keyword is adding here. So that's complete our trigger 29th. So also what I will be doing, I will be adding a space. So now let's create a test class for this as well. So I will be creating one different class, that is trigger on account test. So after creating this class, what I will be doing, I will be adding @is test. @is test. This is the first line, and here also @is test. What I will be adding, I will be adding public static void test method 1, and what I will be doing here, I will be adding bracket. So account A equal to new account. Second point is a dot name is equal to, I will be keeping same name, that is such sales, what we have kept, Sachdeva 1. So this is a name. Third thing, I will be inserting a. Next is what we will be doing, we will be deleting a and further we will be undelete a. So let's see what we are getting. So now we are good. So also what we will be doing, we can do assert equal. So assert equal is best practice in order to use in the test class. Asserts equal, what is the value, that is restored Sachdeva over 1 comma a. So let's save this out, and we will be checking. I think this is the error. There is assert equals, so it is equals. So let's save this out, or we are doing any what is I think system dot asserts equal, what is this? So this is assert equals. So assert equals is the term that we will be writing. So let's save this out. Yes, so it is giving me a string and a dot name. So what I need to, yeah, now we are good. So it should be name. So let's test this trigger and see if we are getting the right our test passed or not. So let's go here. So the test got failed, except assertion failed, restored Sachdeva 1. Our assertion got failed here. So actual is Sachdeva 1. Okay, assertion has failed here. So did our test class run? So let's see. Yeah, it got run. Why undelete is not? Let's do one thing. Instead of this, what I will be doing, I will be printing instead of assert, what I will be doing after undeleting, what I will be doing, I will be doing system.debug and a. Because we have performed the undelete operation, then only we are trying to test it. So let's see what we are going in the debug. So over this class run, so assertion got failed, but assertion is not now here. So let's click debug only. So no debug run, I think the class haven't saved. So let's save it again. So assert line is deleted. So let's run the test again. So I don't think the error should come, but the debug log should give me a dot name, full a record. So name is Sachdeva 1. But I think it is picking this name only. So I will be checking out and will be sharing the update in the next scenario. So I hope you like my content. If you like my content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well for more such update. Thank you. Thanks everyone.